My executive function is almost non-existent today. I'm sitting in my car trying to think of something meaningful to say, and my brain just will not start. But maybe that's what I'm supposed to say. Sometimes serving God doesn't look like being sharp, productive, or inspired. Sometimes it looks like admitting, Lord, I'm exhausted and I need you. The Bible says that we are dust. God remembers that we are dust, and he is not surprised by our weakness. And Jesus said, my grace is sufficient for you, and my power is made perfect in weakness. So if your brain is exhausted today, you're not useless, you're not alone, and you're surely not disqualified. God can still use an exhausted person who may not be ready, but at least he's willing. Let me know what you think in the comments. Redeemed Sinner out.